Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create this amazing round shape photo design in Pixel Lab. First, import your image and choose a bright background. Next, add rounded rectangle shapes and duplicate them to create a stylish layout. Adjust the size and spacing to keep everything balanced. Then place the photos inside each shape using the crop or mask option. Fine tune the alignment so the design looks clean and professional. Finally, save your project in high quality. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative editing tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you